If you love hanging baskets but hate the constant watering, I've got you covered. Imagine having lush, vibrant hanging plants that thrive on neglect, perfect for busy or forgetful gardeners. In today's video, I'm sharing 14 of the best drought-tolerant plants that will not only survive, but thrive in your hanging baskets. Let's dive in. String of pearls is a succulent that knows how to take care of itself. Once thoroughly watered, it'll keep thriving for weeks without begging for more. Its cascading green beads make it perfect for hanging baskets. Burro's tail brings a touch of charm with its thick blue-green leaves that dangle gracefully. It doesn't mind drought, but a little moisture every now and then will keep it looking fresh and full. Ivy geranium is a true showstopper with its trailing habit and colorful blooms. It can handle dry spells and adds a vibrant touch to window boxes and baskets alike. Creeping Jenny is a survivor. This ground cover plant adapts well to hanging baskets and tolerates drought with ease. Bright, indirect light is all it needs to keep its coin-shaped leaves happy. English ivy is one tough evergreen. It's drought-tolerant and looks stunning as it cascades down from a hanging basket. Plus, keeping it elevated helps control its vigorous growth. Spider plant is as easygoing as they come. With minimal watering, just once every 8 to 12 days, it thrives in indirect light, sending out arching leaves and adorable baby plants. Creeping rosemary isn't just fragrant, it's also tough as nails. Perfect for indoor baskets, its cascading twigs can stretch up to 3 feet, creating a stunning waterfall effect. Moss rose is a tiny succulent that bursts with vibrant cup-like flowers every morning. This drought-tolerant beauty loves soaking up the sun and needs minimal attention. African daisies are sun-loving and drought-tolerant. Their daisy-like flowers come in eye-catching shades of yellow, orange, pink, and red, perfect for adding pops of color to your hanging garden. Summer snapdragon is a warm-weather warrior, thriving through heat and dry spells. Its spikes of delicate flowers make it an elegant addition to any hanging display. Lantana is known for its vibrant clusters of flowers that attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Once watered well, it can go for weeks without needing attention, perfect for the hands-off gardener. Ornamental oregano is not just pretty, but practical too. Its fragrant cascading stems are perfect for sunny windowsills, and while not the tastiest variety, it still adds a hint of flavor to dishes. Love Lies Bleeding makes a bold statement with its trailing crimson flower clusters. It loves bright light and doesn't fuss about occasional dry spells. Just give it some sun and a bit of water when needed. Bali snake plant takes the usual upright look of snake plants and flips it, literally. Its unique cascading leaves make it surprisingly fitting for hanging baskets. And of course, it barely needs watering. Which of these drought-tolerant beauties are you adding to your hanging garden? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.